To look at these three problems. They are absolute value equations. In each case, you want to, as your first step, isolate the absolute value, get it by itself, and then split the absolute value into two equations. So in problem number one, it's already by itself. So problem one is pretty straightforward. You can see by inspection that if x were allowed to equal -8, that the absolute value of -8 is equal to +8, or if x were equal to +8, the absolute value of +8 is equal to +8. So those are our two solutions for problem number one. In problem number two, we have this expression x plus 1. That expression will either equal -8, because if you replace x plus 1 with -8, that makes this a true statement that the absolute value of -8 is equal to +8, or this x plus 1 represents +8, and if you replace, by substitution, if you replace x plus 1 with +8, that's a true statement. So here, with these two equations, you can easily solve for x. Subtract 1 from each side. Subtract 1 from each side. You have your two solutions. Here, to get the absolute value by itself, it's currently being multiplied by -6. So we'll divide both sides of the equation by -6. Negative divided by negative is positive. -84 divided by 6 gives us a gives us a 14. So the absolute value, I'm dropping things here off of my desk accidentally. The absolute value of 7x is equal to 14. This splits into two equations. This 7x could represent the number -2, or excuse me, negative 14. Because if you take the absolute value of -14, you'll get 14. Or this 7x represents a +14, which gives us, if we divide both sides by 7, gives us two solutions, that x is equal to -2, or that x is equal to +2. All right, so I hope that helps, and I will talk to you later. Bye.